The Fortin EVO-ONE Remote Start and Security module combines remote start, security, and data interface functions in one compact unit, which helps keep installations clean and streamlined under the dash. Its self-learning vehicle detection makes setup easier for professional installers and experienced do-it-yourself users, since the module automatically adapts to many factory wiring configurations without extensive manual programming. The unit includes clearly labeled connections and multiple harness options, so it can integrate with a wide range of vehicles while reducing the need for extra adapters or splicing. 3 built-in indicator lights provide straightforward feedback during programming and troubleshooting, which is especially helpful when you are working in tight spaces or dealing with complex wiring. Dual data communication ports allow the EVO-ONE to talk directly with compatible accessories such as smartphone controllers or telematics units, opening the door to modern conveniences like app-based control and vehicle status monitoring. Because it supports both data and traditional analog connections, this module offers excellent flexibility for combining factory features with aftermarket security and remote start functions in a single reliable package.